New month, new beauty finds. I've been shopping on the Lookfantastic website and here are a couple of things that I've bought. Starting off with the perfume from Marc Jacobs, and this is Daisy Love Glow. Now there's a few different sizes on the website. This is 50 mils and it retails for £73. This video is in collaboration with Lookfantastic. I collaborate with them to do monthly hauls. I get to choose the products. They could be new releases, which are all these, or it could be like bargain buys or some of my like long-term favourite products. They've given me a code share with you, which is DiaryLF, and that will entitle you to receive up to 25% off site-wide. Some exclusions do apply, but you will be able to get a discount off all the products featured in this video and also any sale items as well. Plus you'll find a list of everything featured down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So look at this beautiful bottle. It is so cute, isn't it? I adore Marc Jacobs perfume bottles. I can't get rid of any of them. I have got quite a few. But look at this. This is the first time I think that I've seen a bottle with petal shapes. I'm certain I haven't got a Marc Jacobs Daisy bottle like that. The fragrance comes from the floral family. It has top notes of lemon essential oil, cloudberry and bergamot. It has heart notes of clove essential oil, jasmine and lemon blossom, and base notes of cashmere musk and patchouli essential oil. When I bought it a few days ago, there was an offer on the website to receive a free little mini perfume of Marc Jacobs Daisy. So I'm not sure how long that offer is available for. It's gorgeous, isn't it? I just love it. It's so bright and cool. I love it. Now for something a little bit different. It's by Neom. Neom do gorgeous candles. I've got a room diffuser behind me. Been a huge fan of this brand for a long time. This is a mini pod. But what makes it different to their other diffusers is that it is heatless and it is waterless. It's a travel size little pod that you charge with a USB cable. Comes in a few different colours. I've got it in like a baby blue colour. It retails for £55 and it lasts for up to 50 hours. So you pop the finger up there and then you can see there is an empty bottle, so you can fill that with your favourite oils, or you can take it off and then plonk that in other bottles that you might have. You don't have to use Neom oils, you can use any. I love that. Got a little timer as well. There, can you hear it? I've just turned it on. There, I've just turned it off there then. I think this is gorgeous. This is such a cool thing to have. So it means I can take it anywhere with me. I can take it outside in the summertime if I want, I don't know. So yeah, I love that. Next up, two new brushes from Spectrum, and they are duo brushes, so they're dual ended. They both cost £15 each. I'm a little bit obsessed with brushes, as you might already know. I'm always looking to downsize my brushes whenever I go away. I love Spectrum brushes as it is. Really great quality, synthetic bristles, affordable pricing. And yeah, I had to get them and share with you. So we've got a cheek brush. This is for contour or bronzer, and then blush at the bottom there. So really nice, isn't it? Smart brush. And then we've got a base. So we've got foundation at the top there, and we've got concealer. What I love about this, hopefully, hold on, hopefully you'll be able to see that. Can you see the concealer brush is angled? It's flat, it's angled, which would be really good at getting right into your under eyes. So a set of two brushes from Spectrum, £15 each. Then I've got a new brow product from Benefit. I've been a huge fan of Benefit for years and years. They are my favourite brand for brow products and mascaras actually. I just keep on going back to them all the time. I really love the Precisely My Brow Definer, the super thin eyebrow pencil that came out last year. Well, this it's sort of similar on the same lines, but it's a liquid pen. It's a Mighty Fine brow pen. It's got a 3-prong nib there. Hopefully I'll be able to do this all right for you. Hold on, let's do it here. There's an upside down eyebrow for you. They're bristles and they're a lot finer, so you're able to get just more detail. I went for 3.5, which is a neutral medium brown. There's 8 shades on the Lookfantastic website, and it retails for £26. So yeah, so looking forward to trying that out. And then lastly, I can't resist whenever she brings out eyeshadow palettes. Oh, it's like, I gotta have it. Natasha Denona, and this is the Mini Eye Sculpt palette. So there's 5 eyeshadows in there. They're all matte. It retails for £24. And I thought this would make a really gorgeous eyeshadow palette, like a day to night one. I can get a really nice daytime look, but then with the black as well and the deeper brown, I can really make a smoky look for the evening maybe. Again, I'm thinking going away for a weekend, or palette that does it all in neutral shades. Pigments are really, really great. Really great. I even love, hopefully you'll be able to see. Oops, excuse me, making a mess there. I really love this base shade here. This beige, that's beautiful. So yeah, it'd be really nice to blend all of these shades together. So yes, I love that. And there you go, those are all the products that I've chosen for this month's Lookfantastic beauty haul. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of them? Have you bought or tried any of them yourself? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.